I'm finna get off and y'all can call Charlie bitch ass, but he ain't gonna come back because he's scary. He ain't gonna come back because he's scary. He ain't gonna come back because he's scary. Oh, come up, Trina. There go the girl. Y'all see them sitting in front of the van?
Moving. We can't see. You keep shaking.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Dang.
Trina. Oh, I'm sorry. Where's Trina? Here she go. That's 21. Run me up.
Right here, y'all maggot ass bitch talking about they couldn't see. They a lie. I'm still up here. I'm still telling Lola to do the shit. The motherfucker thing. Ain't nobody gonna kick me a motherfucking place, bitch. Nah, I'm still getting on y'all motherfucking nerves, you maggot ass bitches. Low, go to the police, Low, cause still press charges. He sprayed you, bitch. He sprayed you
Okay,
in the
I'm
back.
gonna
Don't
wait till
forget,
after.
girl.
I'm gonna wait till after. I'm gonna wait till after. I'm gonna
Send
get
him to
them. Don't
jail.
worry. The police know.
Low, can I have admin, please?
Yeah, I see the people at the top. They look like
Low,
one of
can you
the.
have give me
Yeah, that's
admin
him
so
up
I can
there.
get some of these haters out?
That's him up there in that white shirt, I think. In the white shirt, he just walked out. He bought it out. I think that's him, or there might be like a psych evaluation person. I'm not sure.
Or they psyching about?
It's a lot of people. Am I still froze? Run me up. Run me up. The news people is out here. They telling me to tell you to compensate me for giving you all the school. I'm trying to be still. This shit hard when you zoomed in.
I the one got my sister up out her bed, honey. I call her.
It's
I'm the reason why
hard.
Low is there.
Yeah, Trina called me. It was like, get to
Yeah.
the thing. Get to the scene.
Bitch. Y'all wouldn't even have this if it was not for me, bitch. So shut the fuck up. Okay. Low, give me a admin, please.
I
Can
can't.
I have
My hands
admin?
gonna move. They saying they can't see from the hand moving. I'm trying to read the comments and swipe shit out the way.
But girl, can you give me admin, please? Just give me admin. Thank you.
Don't start kicking the girls, please.
No, I ain't gonna kick him. I ain't gonna kick. I'm
Because
just
the
gonna
room
kick the one
already hot. You
that's
know they
that,
report.
that, that- that's over disrespectful. Low. It's someone down there that's very over disrespectful. Over disrespectful. Over disrespectful, Low. And some of them don't like you anyway, and they in here.
Okay. I'm gonna give you admin one second. Look, they saying no. They saying no.
I know they saying no, but give it to me, Low, because they scared as fuck.
Do I have
Give it to
any
me, Low.
admins up in here? If my admins up in here, can y'all say here, please? I came to the scene and took over the scene. A bitch pepper sprayed me and everything. I need y'all
To
to
a
run
different
me
angle. Sister, go to a different angle. This
up.
angle
Okay.
bad.
Okay.
Move from in front of that light right there, sister. We can't see. It's shaking. And is you tired, sister?
No, I'm
Because
trying to
you
hold the
shaking.
goddamn thing. It's hard with the
Okay, give
zoom
me
in.
an angle. I can't see the girls. All I see is lights flickering. I gotta go.
The girl
Get down.
sitting on the floor right there.
Where, sister?
Right there
Get
in front of
down.
the
Sit on the
van.
floor and like give us an angle. You gotta get down low. You gotta give us a good view.
By
Get down on the
21.
floor.
By 21.
All right, sister. I might get on, sister. Get an angle or something. Come on, move around the car. Let us hear what they saying. Go try to ask them what's going
No,
on.
you can't go up there. I just went up there when I
Well,
first
go
got
on
here.
the
I went
other
up
side
there.
in people yard next door to them. Until
This
if
the
they tell
thing.
you to move, just
Look,
move. But go try to see as close as you.
this as far as you could go. This the thing right here.
Hey, Lo, can you please give me admin real quick?
Yes, hold on. Let me let them see. I can't go no farther, y'all. I tried to go up there and ask questions. I said it was my cousin and everything. I tried. They saying they need a full screen. They can't see because you in the box. What the hell?
No, you know, but give me, girl, that's a lie. Fuck them hoes. They been want, give me admin.
Okay, I'm sorry. People is texting me. Can y'all see? They say the box in the way, Trina. Hold on.
I'm gonna get down. Just give me admin, Lo. Give me
Okay,
admin
okay,
real
okay,
quick.
okay, okay.
Give me admin.
Shit. Now come in on your real page. Okay. I need me a motherfucking ring light. I mean a little stand. Can y'all see? Can y'all see? It's lit up over there. Hold on, wait. Is they taking somebody to jail? Hold up, bitch. Let me change. Hold on, let me change location. Somebody going to jail. Oh no, I can't see over there either. Run me up, run me up. Y'all not running me up. I should be on. I'm on 3 stars. Oh no, I'm finna end it. I ain't even pay attention to the stars. Run me up. Everybody up in here start sending trophies, treasures, everything. Run me up. Get me off of these stars. Y'all, I can't give admins, y'all, because I'm trying to let y'all see everything. I'm already trying to see and can barely see. Run me up, honey. I need to be off of these stars. Get me to the boxes. ASAP. If we don't get to a box by 9:33, I'm getting off. It's too many people up in here. Nobody's sending shit. Y'all got me fucked up. Get it up, get it up, get it up, get it up, get it up. Or else I'm finna give admins out. They finna start kicking everybody. Bitch, better yet, I ain't even finna cover it because I put my own. Hold on, wait. Something going on over here. Can y'all see the heads? I don't think y'all can see the heads. I don't think y'all can see they. Can y'all? Hold on. Can y'all see the heads? They took Nature Boy already? So who is all them people right there? I thought Nature Boy was in a white shirt. Hold on. Who is all them people sitting right there? And where the girls at? Where the girls at? Cause I think hold on, wait, they got a camera. Yeah, that's the boys right there. Right there where the police moving, that's the boys. So where Nature Boy at? Cause Nature Boy wasn't Nature Boy just in the house? Wasn't he just in the house? We need that good old light you got. Give me up to my boxes, honey.